Looking for a more natural way to help you stay on task at work? Check out Coriander Essential Oil. In this video, I'll be talking about Coriander Essential Oil. I'll share how to use it, how it works, and make sure you know how to use it safely. One use of Coriander Essential Oil is to uplift your mood. You can use it in a diffuser or an aromatherapy inhaler. Take a deep breath and notice how it elevates your mood. Since coriander contains a large amount of linalool, you can try it in a diffuser at work to help you stay more on task. One study suggests that this oil may help improve concentration. Another great way to use Coriander Essential Oil is that it is a great cleaner. So use it along with one of our Simply Earth cleaning tablets or other DIY recipes that we will have linked in the blog post to make your home clean and fresh naturally. Like a lot of other essential oils derived from herbs, this oil can help support digestion. So you can dilute it, apply it to your abdomen to support smooth digestion. Coriander essential oil can also supply soothing relief. Try diluting it and using it in a bath after a hard day to help you relax and help calm those muscles. We can understand better how coriander essential oil works by looking at its natural chemical profile along with how it's been used throughout history. One of the main chemical constituents in coriander essential oil is linalool, which gives it an uplifting aroma and its soothing properties. You can learn more about how this oil works in the blog post, which is linked. Let's make sure you know how to use this oil safely. Our age recommendation for this oil is kids aged 2 and up. Whenever you're using it on the skin, be sure to dilute it beforehand. This oil is generally not considered safe to use around cats, but typically safe to use around dogs. Whenever you're using an oil around a pet, leave the door open so your pet can leave if the aroma disturbs them. Talk to your vet before using essential oils around your pet. Thanks for watching. To learn more about essential oils and how to use them with confidence and clarity, subscribe to these videos. This oil was even used in Pharaoh Tutankhamun. How do you say it? Touch.